Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Jeannie Ellis, also known as Scrapbooking Mama, and today I picked the winner for the DIY Christmas YouTube collaboration hop. Now, if you're not a winner of this channel, that doesn't mean that you didn't win on the one of the other channels. So be sure you check out all the links and see if you were the winner. So here is my winner. Oh, by the way, the winner of this hop, each winner in each of the videos will receive the prize of what was made in that video. Mine were the ATC card frames. Sorry, ATC card frames. So anyway, the winner will receive those, and I will need your address, your mailing address, so I can send these off to you. So I'll put my email in here so that you can send me your address. So the winner of the hop of my channel is Debbie Vignolia. Now, I probably said that last name wrong, but Debbie, you are the winner. Debbie's been a faithful follower of mine, and I appreciate that. And I also appreciate all the new subbies that I got. I thank you for coming along and subbing and watching my channel. So stay tuned for more videos, though, because I will have more coming. I will be doing a 12 Days of Christmas videos with someone else, so more information about that will follow. But thank you for watching. Many, many blessings. Bye for now.